Armstrong number program using for loop with range up to 1000. Open ideally, file and new. Now type the program for I in range (1001) colon num is equal to I result is equal to 0 and n is equal to len stri, because I is an integer value, so convert into string and then find its length, which is stored in n variable. And num is equal to I is necessary because I is used in many places, so value of I may be misplaced and you will get the wrong answer. While I not equal to 0 colon digit is equal to I percent 10 percent is a modulus operator. Result is equal to result plus nth power of digit. I is equal to I truncated division 10. If num is equal to result colon print num, that's all. Save the program, file and save. Save as Armstrong number.py. And then click on save. Now run the button, run module, and you can see the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 153, 370, 371 and 407. So this is the output. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.